So basically in TEF, we use a lot of time explique, exprime, souligner. These are very important verbs, right? So repeat after me, explique, because today I will explain to you the importance of explique verb in TEF, right? So répétez après moi, expliquer is my verb to explain. Now, for
Explique.
example,
Explique.
explique. Now, for example, because obviously we'll work for the synonym also. Because for a one word, I have to be understood. I have to be understand for three and four synonyms. I have to create a synonym basically in TEF. Now, for example, if I will say I want to explain, maybe the next line I will say I want to explain, but in a different sense. Now, for example, I will say explique, explain, right? And in the next word, I will say I want to highlight. It's something like explain. I want to present. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Explique, présenter, éclaircir. Éclair is my verb to clear, to clarity. Éclaircir. Répétez après moi. Éclaircir, représenter. This is basically your TEF. Because répétez après moi. Expliquer. Repeat after me. Expliquer.
Okay.
Explique.
Présenter is to present. Clear हो रहा है आपको just करूँ? Mavi. Then we have éclaircir. Éclaircir, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre clarity. Is it clear to you? Représenter. Représenter is my verb to represent karna. Is it clear to you? So team, repeat after me. Expliquer. Répétez après moi. Expliquer.
Explique.
Présenter. Répétez après moi.
Présenter.
Éclaircir. Repeat after me. Éclaircir.
Éclaircir.
Représenter.
Représenter.
Justifier. Répétez après moi. Justifier is to justify. If you will say, I want to justify the statement, I want to explain the statement, is one and same thing, but we'll use the synonym. Être responsable de, to be the responsible of. Répétez après moi.
Être responsable.
Responsable de. It is something like to be the responsible of. So répétez après moi, my team. Expliquer, présenter, éclaircir, représenter, expliquer, représenter, justifier, être responsable de. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat करो, please.
Explique.
Expliquer. Présenter.
Éclaircir, représenter,
Éclaircir. Représenter. Justifier. Être responsable de.
clarifier. Yes,
Clarify.
répétez après moi, clarifier, to clarify, clarifier, expliquer. Is it clear to you, team? Clear? Coller. Coller is very important verb for TEF. Repeat after me. Coller. Coller is basically to be stick on. You know, if you will say it's something like to coller, we have to, I want to paste, copy paste, paste. Basically, coller is to stick, to paste. Is it clear to you? If you say coller is my verb to paste. Faire éclaircir is to clarify. Répétez après moi. Faire éclaircir is my verb to clarify. Expliquer is to explain. So répétez après moi. Clarifier. Repeat after me. Clarifier. Expliquer.
Explique.
Coller is my verb to paste. Clear? Coller.
Coller.
Éclaircir. Faire éclaircir. Faire éclaircir, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre to do the clarification of. Is it clear to you? Because faire is my verb to do. Faire is my verb to do. Is it clear to you? Clear हो रहा है team? तो répétez après moi. Faire éclaircir, expliquer. Because just couldn't see the pattern you have done, you did in the past. So that was a pattern is simple for DELF examination. But just the moment we entered, in the TEF pattern, there's something like we have to work for these vocab. Is it clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir.
So repeat Kanai, because you know what? TEF is based upon your knowledge of your vocab. For this reason, I'm giving the vocab so that you can understand. See, if I want to say, I will explain, I want to explain. So in how many sense I can say one liner in, how many sense? So I can say expliquer, présenter, éclaircir, représenter, expliquer, justifier, être responsable de, clarifier, faire éclaircir, expliquer. Is it clear to you, all of you, please?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example,
सर
you...
जस्ट के साथ में
हाँ, क्या कह रहे हैं?
जस्ट के फायर एक्ला से जस्ट के सारा साथ में ही है
नहीं
एक
नहीं,
ही?
faire éclaircir is इकट्ठा है, that is together. Expliquer is अलग. Clear? Okay. क्योंकि faire expressir is to do the clarification of. Clear हो रहा है आपको?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for example, if I ask you, convert explique verb in present tense, because now we'll work for the verbs conjugations, right? So what you will say is j'explique. यही होगा, because what is the formula of e-running verb? Tell me, team. What is the formula of e-running verb?
EES
E-E-S-E, O-N-S, E-Z.
ENT.
Clear? So répétez après moi, j'explique, tu expliques, elle explique, nous expliquons, vous expliquez, and elles expliquent. Is it clear to you? Clear हुआ आपको ये?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I asked you, what is the past tense of explique verb? The past of explique verb. What is the past tense of explique verb? So, in past
Okay.
tense, I have to use avoir or either être, but explique is my, if I will say explique is my our family verb. So what you will do? Because we have a formula, because tell me, formula of past tense, tell me please. What is the formula of past tense? Explique. So e-running verb, we have to create a past. It means e-agu.
E-agu.
Clear? And we have to use avoir. So j'explique, tu as expliqué, elle a expliqué, nous avons expliqué, vous avez expliqué, elles ont expliqué. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So répétez après moi, j'expliquais, I explained. Because we have to use our conjugate. You as expliqué, you explained. Elle a expliqué, he, she explained. Nous avons expliqué, we explained. Vous avez expliqué, you explained in terms of formal. And elles ont expliqué is they explained. So basically, the formula of past is our preso plus pepe of the verb. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yeah, is it clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir.
Mahavir, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the lamp parfait? If I will say I was explaining, because def may dramatically will work for the vocab and dramatically will work for the verb. Achha, tell me, what is French language? French language may, in French language, we have a verb conjugation has to be strong and vocab has to be strong. Is it clear to you? If I will say I was explaining, so we have j'expliquais, AIS ending. Tell me, bachon. Tu expliquais, elle expliquait, nous expliquions, vous expliquiez, elles expliquaient. Is it clear to you? Because the formula of what is lamp parfait? AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Is it clear to you? Tell me, please.
Yes, sir.
But if I will say, like we did in the last session, I have explained. किया था ना हमने? किया था ना हमने? टेल मी जसकरण.
Yes, sir.
I have explained. सैटरडे किया था ना बच्चे हमने?
ये
तो हम क्या यूज
yes,
करेंगे
sir.
बताओ?
Yahweh explique.
Yes, exactly. Yahweh explique. सैटरडे किया था ना हमने ये सारा सेशन? Yahweh explique. Is it clear to you, अमनदीप जी?
Yes, sir.
Yahweh explique क्यों है? Because देखो, एक तो सी इन पास्ट बेसिकली वन पास्ट इज माय पास्ट indefinite I explained. Clear?
Yes.
The next past is I
Was
have
explained.
explained, which is
Yahweh
I have
explique.
explained. So basically in that case I have to use lem parfait of our verb. In that case, see, one is I explained past indefinite. So in that case I have to use present of our verb. Tell me, present tense of our verb. Tell me, please, बच्चों.
Yes.
Yes,
But
sir.
present perfect tense, I have. In that case, I have to use our of present. No, our of lem parfait. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So J'avais expliqué. Tu avais expliqué. So that how we are working for the patron. Now, for example, we have verb. For example, we have a verb. हमने कौन सा verb किया बच्चों अभी explique का? जैसे we have verb clarify.
Present.
Clear? Now tell me the clarify verb in terms of present tense. Tell me please. फटाफट. Clarify.
Je clarifie.
Je clarify.
Je
Very
clarify.
good. Tu clarify. Very good.
Tu clarifie.
Il elle
Elle
clarify.
clarifie.
Nous
Nous clarifions.
clarify. हाँ.
Vous.
Vous
Vous
clarifiez.
clarifiez.
Clarify. Very good. So can you write it down? The clarify verb.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Pen down and send it back to me on WhatsApp then. Clarify verb. So je clarifie. Tu clarifies. Elle clarifie. Nous clarifions. Vous clarifiez. Is it clear? Because we are working for the synonym. If I asked you, just Karan, if I asked you, what is the synonym for explique? Tell me, just Karan. If I asked you, just Karan, I want you to speak explique verb in terms of 5 and 6 senses. So you tell me.
Expliquer. Présenter.
Very good.
Représenter.
Very good.
Justifier.
Justifier. Very good.
Coller.
Very good.
Faire éclaircir.
Faire éclaircir, c'est très bien, excellent. Faire éclaircir, very good. Very good. Expliquer, very good.
J'expliquer.
Very good. So basically, what we have done, we did for explique synonym, and we are creating the explique synonym with the verbs also. And if I asked you, Amandeep ji, what to say? I explained, you explained, he, she explained. What to say in French? How to make this in French? Sorry, pardon. I clarified, you clarified. Tell me, please. In terms of past, I clarified, you clarified, he, she clarified. How to make this?
J'ai clarifié.
Very good. J'ai clarifié, tu as clarifié. Elle a clarifié. Nous avons clarifié.
Vous avez clarifié. Elles ont clarifié.
Clear? Now, Mahavir, if I asked you what to say, I have clarified. If I asked you, I have clarified. What to make this? J'avais clarifié. Claire?
J'avais clarifié.
Tu avais clarifié. Say
Tu avais clarifié.
elle
Il
avait
a
clarifié.
clarifié.
Nous avions
Nous,
clarifié. Nous avions clarifié because mhm,
vous, vous
vous
avez
aviez uh-huh,
clarifié.
uh-huh.
Ils ont clarifié.
No. elles ont. No. Because हमें लैम पार्ट पे लगाना है avoir का. Say clair. So elles avaient clarifié. Let me write it down.
Ils ont.
Because what is the avoir? May I rub this? May I rub कर दूं? Now, for example, we have this thing. So j'avais clarifié, tu avais clarifié, elle avait, nous avions, vous aviez, and elles avaient. Clear? So now you came to know expliquer ko hum in how many terms we can say expliquer verb? Tell me please. You came to know? Just
Nine.
correct.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear? It means we can say a lot of sense. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes.
Now, for example, because we are working for the patron. Now, for example, one second, I'm just getting a phone call. Yeah, please be online. 1 second, please. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. I just got a phone call. So we have verb बच्चों souligner. Repeat after me. Souligner. Souligner
Souligner.
basically we have verb to highlight करना. And we use a lot of terms. बच्चों बोलो souligner. Repte après moi.
Souligner.
Souligner.
Verb to emphasize करना and to underline करना also. Repte après moi. Souligner. Repte après moi. Souligner.
Souligner.
Insister. Repeat after me. Insister. Repeat after me. Souligner. Now, if I ask you, convert souligner verb in terms of present tense. Fataфट. Convert
Yes.
je souligne. Very
Je
good.
souligne.
You souligne. Claire. Il.
Yes.
बोलो मेरे साथ. Si, répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. And vous devez parler après moi. Répétez après moi. Je souligne. Repeat after me. Je souligne.
Je souligne.
Yes,
Je souligne.
souligne.
Je souligne.
Il,
Yes.
elle
Il
souligne.
souligne.
C'est clair.
Elle souligne.
Nous soulignons.
Nous
Nous soulignons. Elle souligne.
Il, elle souligne. C'est clair. Now, for example, if we have souligner verb in terms of passé composé, past tense, so what to do this? Tell me. Souligner in terms of past tense, bachon. Tell me, please.
J'ai souligné.
J'ai souligné.
Exactement. J'ai souligné. Tu as
You are
souligné.
souligné.
Il, elle a souligné.
Souligné.
Nous avons souligné, because in TEF section A writing is based upon your past only. Vous avez souligné, ils, elles ont souligné. If I asked you, I have underlined, I
J'avais
have
souligné.
highlighted. So what you will make this? Tell me what you.
J'avais souligné.
Exactement. J'avais souligné. C'est clair? Tu avais souligné. C'est
Souligné.
clair? Is it clear to you, bachon?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Nous avions souligné, vous aviez souligné, and elles avaient souligné. C'est clair, बच्चों? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, बच्चों, we have one vocab. बहुत ध्यान समझना. Because this is a pattern which you're working for. Zenkyate. I will write it down for you. 1 second. Zenkyate verb we use for worry. Zenkyate, we have serve verb basically. Zenkyate, repeat after me. Zenkyate, repeat after me. Zenkyate, बच्चों repeat करो. Zenkyate, repeat after me. Zenkyate is my verb to worry. To worry. Is it clear to you, बच्चों? Now, if I asked you, you have to use Zenkyate verb in 5 and 6 lines. You have to explain Zenkyate verb synonym. You have to create 5 phrases for Zenkyate in terms of different vocab. So what you will do? Enkyate, Zenkyate, okay. Preoccupe. Repeat after me, very important. Preoccupe, बच्चों, repeat after me. Preoccupe. Preoccupe, बहुत important verb है आपका. Repeat after me. Preoccupe. Repeat after me. Zenkyate. Preoccupe. Is it clear to you? Preoccupe is my verb to worry. Ombete. Ombete is my verb to worry. Anxiety, preoccupe, ombete. Very important. Anxiety is my verb, belongs to my A2 and B1 pattern. Preoccupe is my B1 pattern. And ombete is my B2 pattern. Is it clear to you, bacho? Clear? So repeat after me. Anxiety, preoccupe, ombete. Repeat after me, बच्चों, please. बच्चों repeat करो. Preoccupe, ombete.
Zenkete.
Because आपका जो pattern है, basically you have to define this thing, social problem. And in social problem, these are the vocab which we used. Is it clear to you? Clear? Now, for example, we have server, right? So how to create, because in French language, bachon, we have a server pattern. There are some verbs which start from ser. For example, you say, what I would say, I forgot the name. Jaskaran, you say, and all of you, je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. You use je m'appelle, Jaskaran, je m'appelle, Shane, je m'appelle, je m'appelle, Amandeep. Why je m'appelle? Ma. I can say j'appelle. I can also say j'appelle. Why it is je m'appelle? It means I call myself. So basically we have verb s'appeler verb. S'appeler. S'appeler is my verb to call. But there's something in French language, ser verb is a reflexive verb basically. There's some verb which starts from ser, which we call as reflexive verbs. So you know ser verb pattern. Now, for example, we have ser verb, right? Clear? For example, we have verb zenkyate. Zenkyate. How to conjugate ser verb with present tense? How to conjugate ser verb with past, lem parfait, pluka parfait? Is it clear to you, bachon? Now, for example, bachon, we have ser verb zenkyate. Repeat after me. Zenkyate. Zenkyate is my verb to worry, but over here, ser verb is to oneself. So I can say je m'inquiète. Why? Because one thing you have to understand, bachon, my verb is ser verb zenkyate. Repeat after me. Zenkyate. Repeat after moi. Zenkyate.
Zenkete.
In case of je, my ser would be converted into ma. Is it clear to you? So je m'inquiète.
Yes, sir.
Say Claire. In case of tu, my ser would be converted into the. So tu t'inquiète. Say Claire, all of you, is it clear to you?
Yes.
In case of il and l, this is the ser verb pattern basically. In case of il and l, my ser would be ser only. So il, el, s'inquiète. See how I can speak, how I can increase the flow in the French language. The moment you have verbs, the moment you have vocab, the moment you have a lot of things. Say Claire. For this season, I'm giving you the synonyms. We are playing something in French, how to create a synonyms. Because in TEF, it's a very important exam. And you have to think forward for the synonyms, right? So il, el, zeng, because in case of il, el, My sir would be sir. So il el zenkiet. In case of nu, my sir would be converted into nu. So nu zenkieton. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear ho raha hai?
So this happens only with the sir verb.
Sir verb, yes.
So it is like je m'appelle Gaganjot. So je me is basically s
I call
saple.
myself. Yes, saple
Alright.
verb. Because this is a one self pattern. So I call myself, you call yourself. So that is nu zenkieton. Who, in case of who, my sir would be who only. So we have double who. Say Claire, vous inquiétez. And in case of il and el plural, my sir would be sir only. Il el zinquiet. देखो formula same है. E, es, e, ons, ez, ent. Say Claire, my team. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
répétez après moi. Je m'inquiète. Repeat after me. Je m'inquiète.
Je m'inquiète.
Tu t'inquiètes.
Tu t'inquiètes.
Thank you.
Il elle s'inquiète.
Il
Il
est
elle
inquiet.
Thank you.
Nous nous inquiétons.
Nous
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 inquiétons.
Inquiétons.
Vous vous inquiétez.
Vous vous inquiétez.
And il elle s'inquiète. C'est clair.
Il est inquiet.
Clear हुआ? All of you, please. Just Karan, Gamanjot ma'am, all of you, Amandeep ji, Harvind.
Yes.
Is it clear to
So
you?
can you give another example? Like
Haan, you
Zenkiet
will
is
get
there.
it out. You will get it out. For example, we have verb sabine. Sabine. I will give you a lot of reflexive verb. Clear? We have verb sabine. Sabine is my verb to take a bath, but it is to take a bath oneself. Is it clear to you? So what you will make this? Je me baign. I take a bath to myself. Say Claire. Formula is same year ending verb. Tu te baign. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Il elle se baign. Say Claire. Nous baigno. Say Claire. Is it clear
Yes,
to you?
sir.
Vous baigner and il elle se baign. B-A-I-G-N-E-N-T. Say Claire. All of you, please.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Now, for example, we have verb sarate. I will give you a lot of example. Some music, because there are some verb which we have to learn, we have to understand. Now, repte après moi, some music is my verb to enjoy oneself. Repte après moi, some music. Repte après moi. Some music is to enjoy oneself. Sarate. Repte après moi. Sarate. Repte après moi. Repeat like this. Sarate.
Sarate.
To stop. S'asseoir is the verb to sit down.
S'asseoir.
Yes. So repte après moi. S'amuser.
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 Sarate. Repte après
S'arrêter.
sarate. S'asseoir. S'asseoir is the verb to
S'asseoir.
sit.
S'asseoir.
S'abainer is to take a bath, and se coucher is to go to bed. Is it
Se
clear?
coucher.
So repeat after me. S'amuser. Repeat after me.
S'amuser.
S'amuser.
Sarate, because we have to understand the synonym. Because आपका जो TEF है, the more you have the vocab, the more you have the synonym. That how, because your knowledge has to be strong in French. So I'm just trying my best to give you a best, skills in terms of to create a synonyms. If, for example, we have verb s'amuser. Clear, बच्चों? So if I asked you, बच्चों, tell me at least one synonym for s'amuser, then you will say divertir. Repeat after me, बच्चों. What to say? Because we are working for the synonyms and it is very important in TEF. Divertir. Repte après moi. Divertir.
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 Divertir, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre s'amuser. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear, बच्चों? बोलो बच्चों, agréable. Repeat after me. Repte après moi. Agréable. S'amuser. Divertir. Divertir, basically we have enjoyment. Agréable is nice. S'amuser is to enjoy. Is it clear to you, बच्चों? Clear, बच्चों?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I asked you,
Yes, sir.
what is samuse verb in terms of present tense? Tell me. Can anyone explain samuse in terms of present tense?
Yum.
Je m'amuse.
Samuse.
Je m'amuse. No, 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 no. S'amuser. So je m'amuse. C'est clair. Tu.
Tu
Tu t'amuses.
You t'amuse. Il,
Huh?
sir.
Il s'amuse.
Nous muse.
Nous nous amusons.
Nous nous amusons.
Do you want me to write it down? Tell me, please.
Vous
Vous s'amusez.
S'amuser.
Vous vous amusez.
il
s'amuse.
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 Yes. Repeat after me. Je m'amuse. Tu t'amuses.
Je
Répétez après moi.
m'amuse. Tu t'amuses.
Il, elle s'amuse. Nous nous
Il, elle
amusons.
s'amuse.
Vous vous amusez. And il, elle s'amuse.
S'amuse.
Is it clear to you, बच्चों? Clear?
Yes.
Clear? So,
Yes, sir.
clear? So, now for example, if I want to convert sarate verb, répétez après moi. Sarate. Repeat after me. Sarate verb
Sarate.
in terms of
Sarate.
present tense. Convert, please. Convert it out, please.
J'aimerais.
Jamaret.
Jamaret.
Jamaret. Tutaret.
Jamaret.
Elzaret. Zareton. Vous vous arrêtez. Elles arrêtent. C'est clair, bachon? So,
Yes,
répétez
sir.
après moi. Je m'arrête. Tu t'arrêtes. Il s'arrête. Nous nous arrêtons. Vous vous arrêtez. And il, elles arrêtent. C'est clair?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear to you, bachon? All of you, please. Now convert. Obviously, s'asseoir is my verb to sit down, but this is something like a different verb. S'asseoir is my verb to répétez après moi. S'asseoir. Répétez après moi.
S'asseoir.
Clear, bachon? So s'asseoir is my verb to sit down. Clear? So over here, we have a different conjugation of s'asseoir because this is something like a irregular verb, I would say. Clear? So répétez après moi. Je m'assois. Répétez après moi. Tu t'assois.
Je
Il, elles
m'assois.
s'assoient. Nous nous asseyons. Vous vous asseyez. And il, elles s'assoient. आप जब भी मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट में आओगे ना, मैं आपको बताऊं क्या बोलूंगा? Vous vous asseyez, s'il vous plaît. Vous vous asseyez, मतलब you please sit down. Vous vous asseyez, मैं आपको रिस्पेक्ट दूंगा. Vous vous asseyez. C'est
Vous
clair.
asseyez.
It means you sit down. S'il vous plaît is please. So very important verb, s'asseoir. For example, you are taking a permission and you say, may I sit down? So what you will say? Je m'assois, s'il vous plaît. Je m'assois. May I sit down? तो या फिर आप, for example, you will say, may I sit down? तो आप लोगे ask, je m'assois. May I sit down, please? Ask. See, you are taking a permission. So in terms of, if you will say ask, which is may I, whenever you take a permission, you know, for example, you say, may I sit down? क्या मैं बैठ जाऊं, please? So ask may, because you are asking a permission. So whenever you are taking a permission in terms of yes and no, you can say ask. Répétez après moi, ask. Repeat after me.
Ask.
Ask, je m'assois. Répétez après moi, ask, je m'assois. C'est clair.
Je m'assois.
Is it clear to you? Then person
Yes,
will
sir.
say yes, yes. Oui, oui. Bien sûr. Répétez après moi. Oui, oui. Bien sûr.
Oui,
of
oui.
course. Bien sûr is my of course.
Bien
Oui, oui,
sûr.
bien sûr. Vous vous asseyez. You sit down, please. Vous vous asseyez. C'est clair.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear to you, Jaskaran and team?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, let's have a conversation. Jaskaran entered in the room of Gagan Jyot ma'am, and Jaskaran will say, may I sit down, ma'am? So what Jaskaran will
Oui,
say?
oui.
Oui, oui, bien sûr. Vous vous asseyez. But how Jaskaran will say? Est-ce que je m'assois?
Est-ce que je m'assois?
Est-ce que je m'assois?
Je m'assois.
And Gaganjot ma'am will say, oui, oui, bien
Oui,
sûr.
oui, bien sûr.
Oui, oui, bien sûr, mademoiselle, vous vous asseyez. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, for example, we have verb se coucher. Se coucher is my verb to go to bed. Se coucher. Répétez après moi, se coucher.
So
Se
good.
coucher is my verb to go to bed. C'est clair.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, se coucher, tell me how to create se coucher
Je,
verb.
je me coucher.
Je me couche.
Je me
So
couche.
good.
Tu te couches. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Il, elle se couche, nous nous couchons, vous vous couchez, c'est clair. Now repeat after me. These are the se verbs, which is very important. So repeat after me. S'amuser, répétez après moi.
S'amuser.
Is to
S'amuser.
enjoy oneself. S'appeler is my verb to be called as. Is it clear to you? You say I call myself, you call. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
S'arrêter is my verb to stop. C'est clair? S'arrêter. C'est clair?
S'arrêter.
S'asseoir is my verb to sit down. Répétez après moi. S'asseoir.
S'asseoir.
Sit down. Se baigner is to take a bath. Répétez après moi. Se baigner. Répétez après moi.
Se baigner.
Se, pardon, excusez-moi. Se coucher is to go to bed. Répétez après moi. Se coucher.
Se coucher.
Se dépêcher. Se dépêcher is my verb to hurry up. Se dépêcher. Répétez après moi. Se dépêcher. Répétez après moi.
Se dépêcher.
S'habiller is my verb to get dressed up. Very important verb. S'habiller. Répétez après moi.
S'habiller.
S'habiller is my verb to get
S'habiller.
dressed.
S'habiller.
S'intéresser. S'intéresser is my verb to interested in something. बोलो. S'intéresser à quelque chose.
S'intéresser.
Répétez après moi. Repeat. S'intéresser à quelque chose. Répétez après moi.
S'intéresser quelque
S'intéresser.
chose.
It means interesting in something. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Team, my meeting would be end in the next few seconds. I will send you a different link also, right? So, se laver is to wash. Répétez après moi. Se laver.
Se laver is to wash.
Se lever is to get up. Laver is to wash. Laver is to get up. You know, I get up in the morning. Se lever. Clear?
Yes.
Se passer is to happen to take place. Se passer. C'est clair, बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Se promener is to go for a walk. Se promener, सैर करना. Se promener. Very important verb. Se rappeler. Répétez après moi. Se rappeler.
Se rappeler.
These are the very important verbs. Se réveiller, se trouver. Réveiller is to wake up. Réveiller is my verb to wake